guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy Blue and today we're going to be doing a very quick, simple, easy eyeshadow look. And I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with the Tarte concealer, and this one is in a medium tan. So I'm just applying this all over my eyelid space, and then taking the brush and I'm just blending out that concealer so everything can look seamless. Blend, and then once we're done with that, we're gonna be grabbing our eyeshadow palette, and of course we are going in with the Nubian 2 by Juvia's, and we're going in with the lighter orange shade. This one is called Nefertiti, and I'm concentrating this on the upper eyelid space. And then once I am satisfied with that, I'm gonna be going in with the Nubian again. Basically, I'm just going to be using this palette throughout this tutorial. I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Morocco, and this one is a deeper orange shade, and I'm just concentrating this right below that previous shade that we applied, and this is basically on our crease area. And then once we are satisfied with how it looks, we're going to be going in with a Jezebel. This one is like burgundy plum yeah, shade, and I'm just gonna focus this rather up to a third of my eye. Yeah, and then once I'm done with that, we're going in with the same concealer shade, and of course the same one that we used to prime our eyelids, and I'm gonna be cutting my crease, focusing very well so I don't smudge it, because if I smudge this concealer, I'm gonna mess up the entire look, and nobody got time to be fixing and repeating this whole process. Just taking my time. And then next I'm going back to the same palette, and we're going in with a champagne shade called Zuri, and we're gonna apply this all over the area that we just cut the crease, and yeah, basically the rest of the eyelid space, and just making sure that I pack it really well and blend it out on the outer corner, yes, outer corner of my eye. And then once we are satisfied with that, it is time to basically put on our eyeliner. And of course, as usual, you know how much I love doing my cat eye look, and the eye well, the eyeliner today that we're going to be using is from LA Girl. This is my all-time favorite. I love it. It's creamy and it does the job perfectly. It's not runny. So here I'm basically just winging it out towards the outer corner, and of course I'm also going to do the inner corners in just a minute. And then of course I'm just going in with a burgundy shade called Jezebel, and I'm applying it right on top of that eyeliner. And of course, let's not forget our lower lash line. Yeah, and then here I'm just creating that reverse cat eye, well, the tail too or the teardrop area. Yeah, and I'm just gonna bring it out. If you guys need a more detailed look as to how I apply this eyeliner, let me know. And then of course here I'm just taking some of that concealer and I'm just cleaning it up to make everything look a bit more neater and sharper as it's supposed to be. And also I'm doing a little bit of cleanup here. We cannot afford to be having a messy liner. And then of course going back in again with a Jezebel shade, I'm applying it right below the eyeliner. I'm just quickly fast forwarding this because I've already showed you how I do it in slow, or in normal mode. So yeah, and basically this look is from my previous tutorial on how I apply the foundation. So I'm just gonna make sure that I link a more detailed I'm gonna link it up somewhere up here on the cards, because I've already done the foundation shade, and it was basically how to mix and match and find the right shade for your foundation. And yeah, okay, so coming back again, let's not lose focus here. I'm just quickly applying my eyelashes, and I find it way easier to apply eyelashes using my fingertips rather than using a tool. So yeah, this is a part where I was talking about where I've done a detailed look on how I mix and match these foundations, and I'm going into NYX Total Control foundation in the darkest shade, and then I'm going into the Fenty Beauty shade. I don't quite recall the name of it, but yeah, again, it's on my previous video. And basically here I'm just showing you guys that you must never ever get rid of your foundation just because it doesn't suit your skin tone. There's always a way, and there's always tips and tricks as into how you can balance everything out and still wear the foundations that wouldn't go normally with your tone. And it's just a bit of mix and matching, balancing everything out, and you're good to go, and nobody would ever notice. So yeah, here I'm just basically setting that foundation with a little bit of powder, also kind of like contouring at the same time. And yeah, lining my lips real quick, put on some lipstick, and I'm back again, clean up the excess powder. Yep. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna go in with a little bit of a highlighter, and we're going in with Kylie Jenner highlighter, and this one is in a shade called King, which I love. It's so pigmented, you don't need to use a lot. As you can see here, I use quite a bit on the tip of my nose, but yeah, it works. It's beautiful. You don't need a lot. Little bit goes a long way. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like,